Mimi ndio John Methu. Mimi ndio John Methu.
This is the life history and background of Senator John Methu. Senator John Methu was born in Laikipia, Heni village. He was born on 14 February 1991. Methu was brought up by his grandmother after his mother and father separated 2 months after he was born. It is because of life challenges that his mother had to take him to his grandmother. Methu started his education at Heni Nursery School, later Heni Primary School, and his high school education started at Nakuru High School but transferred to Goshen High School due to school fees challenges where he paid partial fees. Methu started his education journey at Heni Nursery School. Later, he joined Heni Primary School and his high school education started at Nakuru High School but transferred to Goshen High School due to school fees challenges. After performing well in his KCSE exams, he joined Pwani University. He pursued political science.
From 2013 to 2017, seeing Professor James Kahindi, this one seated here, as my Deputy Vice Chancellor, in the School of Humanities led by Professor Harimu Shauri, who is, I think, around here, taking Bachelor of Arts, Sociology and Political Science here.
At the university, Methu became a business person, where he used his first HELB loan to purchase a pool table.
Honorable members, following a request from the Honorable Senator.
It is at the university where he started leadership journey. He was elected Deputy Speaker in his first year, and in the second year, he was elected Finance Director and got elected as the Secretary General of Nyandarua University Students.
Because it was very, very difficult for me to attend hiyo group work na kwenda nyumbani kufanya siasa.
Fourth year, 2017, he unsuccessfully vied for Nyandarua County senatorial seat, where he garnered 29,000 votes, where he vied on Maendeleo Chap Chap Party. After failing in his bid for senatorial seat in Nyandarua, in 2018, Speaker Ndegwa Wahome offered him a job, but Methu rejected as he believed Ndegwa wanted to plague his ambitions to become senator for Nyandarua. Speaker Ndegwa insisted, and to some point, Methu agreed, but they had to come to an agreement. He called Bishop Mashari of AIC so that even if the speaker wanted to vie, he would run against Methu.
Mimi ni elder wa kanisa ya AIC. Reverend yangu ni Bishop Mashari mwenye ako hapa. Hata ingawa siku hizi shiriki kwa meza ya Bwana. Walinikataza kwa sababu nilifanya harusi ambayo si ya kanisani.
Methu started working as the personal secretary at the Nyandarua County Assembly until 2022, where he resigned to vie for the senator for Nyandarua. But there were persuasions for Senator Methu by different people that he had a lot of time and would vie in the later days and was promised a permanent job. After resigning, he started campaigning and joined the UDA party, where he won the nominations. He beat his closest competitor with 13,000 votes and won in the general election with over 180,000 votes. His passion to vie as a senator for Nyandarua was inspired by the fact that he was Secretary General for Nyandarua Students Forum.
Kwenda mpaka Sasumwa iwekwe rami mara moja, na rais amesema, na kama unapingana na mimi, uliza yesi yako hapa atakueleza kama alisema, kwa sababu mimi nilisikia alisema. Mimi kama hiyo barabara haitajengwa, wewe utakuwa ndiye mtu wa kwanza kuambiwa kitu na rais na unakataa kufanya. Na mimi nakujua.
Methu at one time stated that campaigns can be expensive and recalls the day he was announced the winner of the UDA party primaries. He had no single penny remaining even in his pocket. He also shared an encounter where he sold a property at a loss just to fund his campaigns. The senator also made history in Kenya to be elected as the youngest senator at the age of 30 years.
Debe moja ni ya deputy president. Tayari kwa gari ya deputy president tumeweka debe moja. Debe mbili ni yako. Kwa gari yako hatujaweka, askari yako wamesema viazi iko na matope. Mimi najaribu kueleza viazi haikui kwa miti, viazi inakuwa kwa matope, ni lazima ikuwe na matope. Hatukupata nafasi ya kuosha hiyo viazi, your excellency.
Methu is outspoken and is touted as the modern-day JM Kariuki. After the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, The senator remained a loyal ally of Gachagua and is seen as the one Gachagua is mentoring to take over the mantle in the near future.
Senator John Medhu, for all practical purposes, is a member of DCP, and he will start acting from today as the Secretary General designate and be the spokesman, the spokesperson of the DCP party on all matters starting today.
Recently, Medhu was named the Democracy for the Citizens Party DCP Secretary General designate and tasked to lead the Ol-Kalou by-elections, where the DCP party is campaigning to capture the seat with its flag bearer Sammy Douglas Kamau. Medhu is also an advocate of equality and young leadership, where he urges the voters to give chances to the young people with vision of public service by electing them into elective positions.
A friend, a brother, a leader, a man of great wisdom is MP-elect Sammy Douglas Kamau.
My name is Mwangi Mwaniki for Mwangi Mwaniki Exclusive.